So, I really want to thank you because there's so many things where you don't talk, where me say don't see. But there's one more one where we go like we will talk before we go. Why do people have relationship problem in Europe? Why it be say it can't be like say both young generation, no, both the old one, both the middle one, both the new generation and the old one. I don't know how to put it. It can't be like say
It's just globally.
global. It can't be like say when you are outside, when you just did this side, you just see people struggling in their relationship. There's always this struggle with the both do people wey no really they married though.
Yes.
Normal relationship.
Yes.
It just be like say there is this struggle where we no really understand. So I don't know. Can you enlighten us more? And do you have any touch on that?
Yeah, in relationship strongly, you see individual differences. I would tell people you are the answer to your whole house relationship
Yes.
or marriage. Even some people say, because you don't know how to follow man. As a woman, if you do with man like this, woman, that man will respect you, will love you. So we say you as a man, if you follow woman like this, if you do like this, we respect you, we love you. No. Who know what you want, know what you want. If I thought you give or you don't give, people are just there. They just want to be in that relationship or in that marriage, no matter what happens. As far as you don't, it's not a violence. Don't think you cannot manage. You understand?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ that died for our sin. The way they flog her, they never flog that for your wife house or for your husband house. You see, take her. So there are things you can see take, there are things you cannot take. In that aspect, I can really see that it's somehow difficult to answer, but we can see put some light on it. As you said, even in relationship strongly inside. Even in family, there are some people you don't even talk to them.
And they tell
There will even be a time your mother or your mom, you don't even talk to your daddy because if something want what the other happen, you don't want to talk to them anymore. You can give them chance for some years before you come back again. So therefore, they now see to a brother or sister or a friend, you now go to a girlfriend, you now go to a wife. You see how it starts.
Yeah.
It's an institution where they start from. No matter the high level of your education, say you are a professor, you start from KG, you start from primary school. If you don't visit all those areas, you will not get to that place you was. And so they start from somewhere they come. Those one, if you come to Euro system, the Western world, they make us to understand, say, love, marriage, we still know, but they were the one that first bring in another different form. We do our in traditional way, they now bring it another different form that you have to go and sign or something like that.
Yeah.
And we now, yes, we now really embrace it because of most of the time we want to come to Europe now. There are documents you don't even think where you are in your country, but you are coming to Western world, those documents you have to be involved. They now try to translate it, and if you are coming, you have to go and do that thing.
Yes.
If not, you cannot come. Then after that, when you come here, marriage now starts in a different way. Not that the people who doesn't have a problem, no. They still have a problem one way or the other. Marriage they break there, they break here, they're everywhere. They're everywhere. But in the Europe way, the way we both bring them, we know we Africans. We like to practice something where they teach us more than people who taught us.
Yes.
We have that mentality.
You need to small PC or more jara.
Say me and Noah.
Say I know a pass.
So then they do their law, they do it for themselves. They never know you will become and live in their country. They make it for themselves. But the way we don't corner, hey, this one favor me. I will tell her, say, who are you? They come. So when you don't come here, first of all, what you will feel bring quarrel. Some women will say, Mama, they cheat on me. To further that one start. While some man will say, the woman is a nagging woman. They must bring these two things, they always involve. It will be difficult before you remove these two things away from breaking relationship or home and anything.
Yeah.
He's a nagging, he's cheating on me, or he eats my money, or he spend my money anyhow. Or these things will always come up. We don't share well. That's the way we fight. So where a woman competing with a man in a marriage or in a relationship, you know what you want. And while man also want to say, I'm the head, and these are the what I want, those are what I don't want. You still know what you want. If you move with a woman, you come to this Western, we see the way everybody is strong, as you say, everywhere, no matter where, everywhere they are strong. Because we now feel that this generation, what a man can do, a woman can do it. What a man can do, a woman can do it. So what do you think you can do, I cannot do? So for you in Europe, I know you are working, I'm working. You can, as far as you can afford to pay your bill, woman can afford to pay her bill too.
Of course.
Even the children, they are going to school.
They balance everything.
They are going to school, they are still working after the holiday.
Day.
Even the money they are still giving to themselves, they see enough for them to take care of themselves. So they balance this one. So at the time when you see that relationship, maybe you have your own, I have my own. Maybe some misunderstanding will come, just little misunderstanding will come. It may be from home, it may be from both of you. You know, they say spirit control physical.
Physical.
Our country, we cannot shy away from that. We can't take it away from our life system that is here existing. There are some people, they see your marriage, you are progressing, they will say, no, they don't want that one will never work. I told you will never marry this guy, or you will never marry this girl. So those people that have that voice, they are even the ones succeed most. This destruction, you work more than the repair.
Yes.
To destroy is very easy than to repair.
Of course.
You see it. So someone will come in that way, that is something that you're following him. Someone will come in that way, that I'm so stubborn, I have the pride to pay. I'm a man. When I say yes, you have to be like that. Someone will say I'm a woman. When I say you think what you can do, I cannot do it. Who are you to tell me what to do? I know it says you are not more good, you are more that. You talk too much, you talk out of point, you do this, you nag, or you sleep outside with different women. You cheat. I always tell people, in cheating area, now follow come to man. Before you will see man say not a cheat, you will say I not cheat. Maybe that now you change her. You never tell since when they born you never cheat.
Yes.
Cheating na cheating. Sin na sin.
That's so.
You understand? Maybe that way you don't grow, you don't see different things, and then you come to change. But since when they born you, you can't. That's why it still be for woman. You can't say you never cheat on your woman or your guy. If it's start from a relationship the way you talk before you get to a marriage level.
That's true.
So that for the come. Men just day, women cheat more than the men. Men cheat because of what they see. Say, see this girl, fire, I just want to go chop her. You know me see you with there, see it. Me go tell you, say, if you see girl where I go fuck, you say, if fire pass you, you know go fit talk. But you woman got one, you call it give you attitude for house. They see you as a different thing now. So why you to talk to me after all that one with the fuck me say better person. But man, we see they give that respect. Because now we they invest, put for relationship more than the woman. 100% of investment. Now man get 99 inside. Some men they will say you don't date before woman come your life. House you don't get, car you don't get. Now Europe you live, you get documents. If now children you don't get them. So it already stand. So you just bring me, you come me, love you more than love and say more than start family. You know go see that way. You go to say give it to you bring all your life. Of which not the way you bring come. You not get it the way you bring to the table.
I tell you.
Now you get the table, now you get the chair.
And
you know the same. Yeah. So if you result such a person say this one not they see what you they see. If you anywhere if you carry her, go ahead, carry her, go left, carry your go right. So everybody move on. Now what do you want? No problem. Europe is not the end of life.
I tell
people
you.
they die and they die for Africa.
Of course.
Even that we the last past people we did in Europe. That's also sitting with the sick here.
Or they tell you.
You understand? So now we don't we put to do the system that if you don't come for you to go back again, you call the hard.
They go hard.
The package jam. That package they deceive us. See, here now life. If you want to live in your marriage or live your relationship because of you don't see, or you both they give you any something, or they get opportunity or getting something for the state, you are free to do it. Every understanding, every consequence they will follow. You understand? So there is nothing in life where you do we know they get reward. Now most of the word that we take around the cost, nobody the cost for us. Most 100% of it, 80 or 90 in our hands, we take cost. People don't feel say I don't want to be submissive. It's not everybody. Most of the people that talk in media, it's not what they're doing and who they're doing in media. They talk in media. Some of you all come with another story of which, if you get to your home, if they humble your husband or they humble your wife. You see, but if you feel you want to build yourself to your home, how you want your home to work, not be the way your home will not be my home. You cannot come and cancel me in my house if you are a relationship counselor. I love the take out. I'm not agree because your girlfriend will be my girlfriend. Your own girlfriend mentality is not my own. As you as a woman, your boyfriend is not my own boyfriend. So everybody gets mentality as a human being. The differences so individual differences this side. Your own figures work. Not mean so that you get percent pass, or that you spend for woman pass, or that you get money with woman the life pass. Women they will see the husband they buy private jet with the fly, but you see they fuck with man. That man not they get time for that. I go there I talk one thing say man we get they don't get 100% time for their wife. That's the truth.
That's true.
Like me doing as a taxi driver, maybe night now they want my woman at their house.
That's 100% true.
So if they find 100% true, fine, because most of them they fine boy. After they call they blame the mom. Now me they take off everything for her. Now me they do something. What I do for now you put that to that level. Now you they fine, but you that fine boy. So this fine boy, if you continue, you get where you go follow man reach. Boyfriend and girlfriend this week, when you call the region, they plan out different. You call the see the man, how the maturity they plan life different with that one at the top of. What they plan to get picking, you go they plan how to get where they will stay with picking, come work, come life. How to plan how they go where they how you want to enter school, if that picking come life. It's different for whenever you think of getting child. Different day. So if you are a woman or you are a man, you date woman like that way, they say your plans are just different thing planning, or the man the plan are just different planning. So for the withdraw. Go with the quit and not because you don't enter inside after you can't say now so it be you not do this not that before you from there if you start from ABC they go reason where you did so all these guys I never seen assist them man of the two more hard character they quit if man is friend if they get side chief for outside before 2 months you as a woman you don't catch her.
Mm.
No matter how you want to arrange.
Mm.
Even they don't see her with her, but you go get sense of it. There are things you want to prove, but if you dodge her, but you don't say, hey, but you as a woman, that woman have to keep her for the year, you not gonna know.
Yeah.
You understand? You not gonna know. You go just dey do am because now if you call as a man, now you go pick your call. Now you know you pick, you not go pick. If you off that for not pick your call,
Yeah.
now you go still continue to the call because you need that. If you not pick your call for 1 week, that way you go see the call am.
Yeah.
Anytime when you just pick call you, the way you go tell Russia, father, I've been calling you since 1 week. What happened to you, baby? What happened? You gonna use your fish, you get what you want chop.
Yeah.
Hey, no what they do. You understand?
Yeah.
So yeah, people can't take the relationship like say you go shop, go buy clothes, you just test time. If you're wearing one, they have a try for one side. Many men there outside. Many men there outside don't be lie. I want to take you serious. The first place. Many women say they outside though, not be lie, but you want to take you serious. Another thing again.
Yeah.
You understand? You will see around. Man still get your advantage. Woman still get their own advantage.
Yeah.
Advantage of a man, if you leave your girlfriend, you can still meet another girlfriend between 1 month. If you really want to know how to toast girls, before you approach 25 girls, you will see one way you go see give you listening ear.
Yeah.
You as a woman, you cannot go approach a man. Be hard.
That's true.
So you go see somehow different. Nobody she can't toast me now. Not be sure I even need.
Of course.
If I tell you get money, now if that we don't taste your character, your character and money not they go together. There must be disconnection. You must disconnect. You understand? They don't go together.
Yeah.
So if you don't decide, get where you enter, you don't enter, you don't spend money. Like maybe get with you ask me where you go to the place because you get we can buy me with money. Come on, get out, don't be money I need. You don't leave it with that. So man, love can be forced. Get with you. Now man feel force woman be in love. You don't feel force man be in love.
Be in love.
Maybe the first we don't agree. Now our friend will even say, I want for you. Now all those small boys, now you want for you. See this man, the way they give you time, everything way they do for you, anytime we call it there, wait till they find. If I get that position, I go grab her. So you could pick and say, true, what this girl they tell you sense there.
Sense they inside.
You understand? No man will tell you, fellow man, say, hey, that girl, the way they pump money on you every time. Sometimes, if it tie you, but you go tell them, say, man, that lazy, you know, the make a character be. Because you not get on, I make them use that money.
And they tell you,
say, hey, the job maybe they go now.
A man never advise a man to marry one because of what they spend for her.
Yes. You see, so you know if you say
my papa they talk say if man help man, I thank you they tell him.
Before we come.
Now thank you they tell him. You don't pass thank you.
You don't pass there.
Help you now thank you go tell her. So some women think that because of what they are doing for you,
yes,
your life did their hand. Like they can like you have to answer to them. So the thing they still confuse me, you know. So, but it's okay.
They confuse and the Western world system constantly make everything they different again. Yeah. Even translate to our whole continent now. Yeah. Now people they embrace our past now.
Yeah.
Say if you don't want to move me, I pass. If you don't want to move me, I pass. The world is going different. I know that our father day, our mother day, that's not the time we was now. Man, not being better. The way they break, now they break.
Yes.
This cause they cause. More they come. That truth is not the change.
Yes.
Supposed to know. So no matter what you conceive for this world, you embrace and you will see that live.
Yes.
This car when you buy not be your car. If you die to borrow that, you do changing of ownership to another person.
Of course.
The one when you use that change the changer for your name.
Of course.
So when we both produce that, it's not produced with anybody's name. Anybody can buy and sell. Till you leave this world.
Of course.
If you don't leave, those things not be your. Even the children when you born, not be your again.
That's right. I tell you.
They can change the father name to another person's name.
That's to tell you.
So your daughter now, you don't come up for your family name to go outside your husband's name. How you can't get her? You understand? So different things they do like that. So they cheat on me. They cheat on me. I don't tell them say that cheating of 15. I never advise a man to go and cheat better for the come.
I tell you.
And also advise to make you not cheat. Depends on where you dey. Now the two things they talk. I don't advise my go and cheat on your girlfriend or your wife. And I say never advise to say don't cheat on your husband or your wife because of the time the thing what they do for the house. How will take day? That lead to that cheat. If woman feel say wants to go cheat because your husband cheat, you are free to go. But if the result come, now you go know who they go support you say you do well. Or they will say, no, now you go answer that one.
That's true.
You are free. You are say, no, because my man cheat or because my boyfriend, I must go cheat. Go. But the time where that thing go involve people don't see and they don't hear that. You can't hear the comment. They go support you, say you do well, or say you don't do well. People may shout, I can cheat. But if you want to comment, it not go support you again.
That's true.
It not go support you.
That's
one time when one woman they ask me that question, I say that question, I know if I say you not go like her. I say the only thing I go if you be Christian, say they pray, may God open your eye, make it tell you why He forgive me. People will cheat, do it time for Bible. We say girl many wife and many concubine. Or no, God say bless them, give them.
Give them.
Go and ask that Papa say why you do that thing like that. Not maybe you can ask. Not maybe create myself.
I tell
that
you.
follow come.
Our forefathers.
Because they do it. Even this time with Jesus Christ, it don't happen.
I dey
You
tell
still
you.
bless them. So but when you see bless couple, see they get different wife and couple, but it's not a cheating.
Everything wey David do in the Bible, God still call am and say the man after my own heart.
So now I say, when I go ask them, say, Baba, what did this man do? We make him forgive them like this, say accept them. Maybe we teach our mama see they do, maybe we see they forgive them. Me, I don't know. That time was never in existence. So I cannot answer that question. Maybe you just see what make and cheat, you go cheat. But you still come back to you as it is to give you respect as a girlfriend, as a wife.
Yeah.
Then, can you leave your marriage because of cheating? As they say, no, depend. I say, no, remove depend. Can you leave? Yes or no? They say, no, as far as not the bitter, you cannot leave. I can't ask another question. I say, okay, now, you as a woman, if they ask you now, will you marry a man who don't forget children, or who you never get? Will you accept? I say, why not? You say, the man, they okay, why not? They I can't ask one man. I ask two man. They say no. That's why they be like that. They say, no, but you say because man get different feeling for say woman go cheat. They have it forgive that woman can forgive easily. They say, I don't know because of you lose my home. Now you go. Say, be man, now lie. So now follow come be that. You know, blame that. We know because of them. Because of that means never married. They street.
Of course.
They side cheat to other marriage man.
I dey tell you.
That's what they be. We dey. Anybody when the face. Side cheat. Nothing lasts for this life. If you say you go die one day, you just say you go see die.
That's true.
No, everybody get you. Well, one after the other, time will come, you will see pass on.
That's true.
Now wait till you do before you go, now they will still remember you.
Yeah.
If they say you be a robber, and then for Benin, that way rating, now they say they remember that now. That man was notorious robber for that Benin, so you see the rain. So everybody get what they rain for. So that's the relationship level. Really, now everybody go assign you by himself.
Yeah.
Not be waiting bring problem for your own, not be go bring for my own. Not be how you take toast to me, not be how you take toast my own. Not be waiting you woman seeing you, not be my own seeing me.
Yeah.
The time when you don't know and said, we need you know you are the best man.
I tell you.
You can be the worst man. I don't likewise me now. Where I don't know my own. The best man in the world. I can be the best man, the bad man in the world.
Afterwards.
Okay. Move on. Life goes on. That's what it be for man, that's what it be for woman. So choose the one way so you feel manage. Try certain. If you know one thing where you tell one thing where I remember one thing, say bring a child the way you should go.
Yeah.
If you know say you bring and in no work, go look for a small pikin.
That's
even that 20 years, you be 40 years, you be 50 years. As far as they accept to follow you, bring her up the way you take want her. In a very good way.
Yeah.
You go favor her. If you see that live tomorrow, live her, you will live forever.
That's it.
Now you know.
That
is life.
That's it. So Oga Festy, in fact, it was I don't really enjoy myself. A lot to learn. I wish at time that's something we feel just press pause. We will learn more things. So guys, Mona, just stay tuned on this channel. A lot of things go they come. Maybe this one we will do with Oga Festy B. We first still come on another one, can still drop another video for now. We will still learn one or two from our forefathers them, our fathers them, our uncles them, our senior brothers them. So that's what it be. Oga Festy B. Thank you so much. We appreciate you for sharing your wisdom, and we go still like to more hear from you more. Maybe before this year go on, we'll still run on one or two again.
Summer just come now. This time we can even go to the garden, go to the streets, different things. So it's a very beautiful that time.
I tell you.
Put phone across.
Yeah.
You know me. I'm here.
No man.
So I'm not going anywhere. Anytime you need me, let me know.
Thank you, boss.
Like this, share idea. Me myself, we still ask a question too. And the next time, say, why this is like this in our generation? What will you do different to change it?
Of course.
Everybody has something.
Of course, we still like to know what you like. Say your younger self. What this kind of stuff? What do you wish you could have changed?
Yes.
What do you wish you could have done better?
Yes.
All those things we
don't already miss them. We want to think about that. Sometimes there are messages we have to be putting the people that is seeing it, they will say, let me go and learn from those messages. Because we learn every day.
Of course.
Nobody's above learning. We are learning every day. We made the mistake in a different way, in a different form. So we are still correcting some of them in a different way, in a different form, but we are still learning.
Of course.
Professor, you still learning from other professor too. I cannot come and tell you now, if I try to tell you I'm the Odunga, meaning that's the way they go, and they let you know say in the wrong way. Put her this way, go walk. Now they try to give that message. If you don't want to answer that you'll then you go. If you favor you do. If you not favor you
leave her.
So
that's what it be.
That is
so
life.
Guys, no be small thing. Thank you so much on watching.
Thank you.
And make sure someone subscribe, because
share.
Many things like this they drop on a regular.
It's my good friend, my son.
Oga Festy
MC opportunity with Oga Festy B. That kitchen one. Come on, who they check out? We did. They God keep us alive.
That's how you be,
May give us wisdom
to
talk about things that we already made a mistake about. Yeah, we know a lot of shit now. now.
that's
Everybody
it.
do it
That's
now.
it, we
Now,
boss.
things of life, that is how it goes.
Yes, boss.
Where we grow, if you really think where we grow, we know how we grow.
That's it.
Now, this Western world come make us, they do see different things also again.
Yeah, boss.
Because opportunity that we have here, we don't have it at our home.
That's it.
But home is still home. I say to everybody, home is still home. Never you forget where you come from. No matter what you see here, all are vanity.
That's
no
true.
things you come with, no thing are going to go up with.
That's it,
You
boss.
die, you go to the 6 feet.
Yeah.
That's how you close.
That's it.
You come in here, you come from womb. That is how you come to this world. You are not going to that same place back again. You take another direction back.
Yes, sir.
So don't forget home. Anything you do to inspire people at home, try to be putting on the media for them to be seen. Coming to Europe is good, but it's not all about Europe. There are things you can always do different in your own country.
That's
there
right.
are people can always come to Europe, they come and embrace it and support you.
Mm-hmm.
So let's support ourselves, support our brother. Anything we see people do that is good, we have to pay support to them.
That's it,
that is how we learn. That is how we grow.
Thank you.
So thank everyone.
Thank you, boss.
I wish everybody a lovely
you.
weekend. Have a nice
That's
day.
it, B. See you
Catch
guys
you,
on the
see
nonsense
you.
period. No be smart thing. We'll see you on the next episode.
Yeah.
God bless. God bless.
God bless.
Gigi.
God bless.